Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe provides unlimited flexibility and, most importantly, fun. It also offers the efficiency of a hybrid vehicle, but still allows the full capacity you've come to expect from a Wrangler. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.